Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Willy, and today I am going to tell you or sort of persuade you on why you should trade Forex. So sit back, get your pen and paper ready. Let's dive in with Willy. Now, when we talk about Forex, a lot of people would say that, hey, it's very risky, or they would say, Forex, you need a very high capital, or some other times they might say, oh, it's actually too volatile for my liking. But a lot of this might be a misconception because in terms of Forex, well, I would say other than Forex pairs, you can actually trade a lot of different stuff, such as shares, commodities, or even ETFs. Because when we have a generalized idea of what Forex is, other than Forex that is being offered by the broker, they actually offer a whole lot of other products. And basically, a lot of these products' mechanism is actually based on CFDs or contract for difference, which is the same thing as Forex itself. So right here today, we're going to see some of the valid points that in terms from my end, that would sort of persuade you on why you should actually trade Forex. Now, first off, we are going to look at here, which is leverage. Now, when you invest in a Forex or you deposit your money into a Forex broker, the one thing that they can actually offer you is leverage. So if some of you does not know what is leverage, so a little recap is that a leverage actually could increase your ability to control large sum of investment. So let's say, for example, in your hand, you may only have $100, but when you have leverage, let's say 100, 1 to 100, then you can actually control 10,000 US dollars with only 100 US dollar in hand. So, but then you would actually think that why am I, being able to control such a large investment sum with only a little money? So that is the leverage or the beauty of leverage itself. Leverage is actually lending you money by the broker in order for you to open a position which is way larger than you can afford to. This is actually one of the main caveat of being able, for being trading in Forex. So this is actually leverage itself. And leverage, as I said, you can actually enroll in the financial market with only a small amount of capital. And last but not least is actually leverage itself can amplify your profit. So let's say, for example, with 100 US dollar and without any leverage, maybe you can earn profit, let's say a few percent of your $100. But then let's say we take back the example that you can hold an investment as much as 10,000 US dollar, let's say. So you can actually earn, 1 to 2% of the $10,000 or even more. So this is the beauty of leverage, whereby you can actually control large sum of money with only a little sum of money from your hand, and it could actually amplify your profit. At the same time, this could also amplify your loss, but we're not going to get to that because this is for another topic, which is risk management. Now, next up, why you should actually trade in Forex is because it is impossible to manipulate. Why do I say this is because the Forex market is very, very huge. So as per the data of 2022, Forex market right now is worth 2.409 quadrillion. So you can imagine with a quadrillion at the back, how much money is it worth? So to say is that this market is so huge that no one has that amount of money that can manipulate it. Because most of the time, we always often hear about the stock market being manipulated, such as the incident of GameStop shares. But in terms of Forex, it is very seldom to hear that it's being manipulated or even none at all. But I would say other markets may subject to manipulation is due to their liquidity. One thing is that sometimes that market may have low liquidity, which is very susceptible to manipulation. Other than that, maybe because their market is so small that when a large sum of money go into the market, it will actually raise up the prices of all the instruments in that market itself. But in terms of Forex, it is impossible to do so because in this world, well, I don't think anyone would have quadrillions in their bank account. Now, another caveat for trading in Forex is that it actually opens 24/5. well, not 24/7, but 24/5. This means that you will get unrestricted trading throughout the week, 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday. So to say is that this is actually a good thing because you can trade anytime depending on your needs. Maybe you are working in the morning until evening and then you have some time at night to look into the market, then you can do so. Or you're working at night shift and then you want to look into the market in the morning and you can still do so. Now, I would say that the liquidity is somehow sufficient during the whole period, depending on where you stay from morning until night or in the early morning. But certain period of trading hours, like let's say, for example, Asian trading hours is much more quiet. Other than that, the European trading hours or US trading hours, it will have more liquidity. But scrap all that. The main point here is that it is open 24/5. You can actually trade unrestricted because some other markets that you may encounter, such as the stock market itself, it is actually open for around 7 to 8 hours, which is depending on the country's time zone and also depending on what kind of arrangement that they have. But other than that, so far right now, Forex market is actually open 24/5. So this is a good thing for those of you who have a busy life and you want to trade anytime, anywhere. Now, last but not least, one of the, I would say, an interesting caveat for trading Forex is that there are promotions everywhere. Now, a lot of brokers will actually offer promotions every single month or even throughout the whole year. And sometimes they may even run contests such as trading contests or, no deposit contests. Depends on what broker you are into. So all this promotion may actually help you to elevate your trading experience, whereby some promotion may actually give you bonus or rebates, whereby you can actually open higher lot sizes or even more trades at a single time in order to help you to generate profit in Forex itself. So this is why you should actually trade Forex. And that's all for today's video on why you should trade Forex. Hopefully I have persuaded you enough. In case you want to know more, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.